This video will demonstrate how to simulate a vehicle with independent suspensions passing over a bump and ditch. Let's take a look at the model first. There are a bump and a ditch on the road. Four holes are underneath the chassis to hold the suspension. Vertical section is for mounting to chassis, and the horizontal section is for mounting wheel. To increase tire grip, some tread patterns were added. Let's take a look at the restricts. Concentric suspension with mount hole of chassis. Connect wheel with suspension. Rear wheel parallel with side of vehicle, and front wheel controlled by steering, which will be set up later. Let's take a look at motion study. Select motion analysis. Set gravity direction. Set road contact with wheels, and material are steel and rubber. Add spring to suspension. Set spring constant as 500 newtons per millimeter. Add damper to maintain stability. Set up the damper constant as 100 newtons per millimeter. Add rotary motor to front right wheel, and set up speed as 20 RPM. Same for others. Add motor to front wheels to control steering. Set up the value as 0 to run forward, and certain angle to turn when necessary. Calculate. Run. Let's watch slow motion of the animation. We can see when a vehicle encounters an obstacle, it may experience skidding and veering off course. But the front wheel were maintained by motor steering, it keeps the vehicle run straight, and its value was set an angle to make a turn at 11 seconds. You can see 4 suspensions are working independently. Let's add results and plots to see how does the independent suspensions works on each wheel. Using mass center position of suspension in vertical direction to see the displacement when passing over a bump and ditch. Front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel, we can see independent suspension reduces vehicle vibration in vertical direction. Let's change the suspension stiffness and to see what happens. Reduce spring constant from 500 to 100 and damper constant from 100 to 20. The vehicle cannot operate properly due to the suspensions being too soft. Let's change the vehicle from 4WD to FWD and RWD to see what happened. Front wheel drive. Stuck there with front wheel drive. Rear wheel drive. Stuck there with rear wheel drive too.